Can you solve this binary search question that appears at every single company? So given a positive integer n, return true if n is a perfect square, and you are not allowed to use any built-in functions. Let's say we're given the value 16, 4 squared is equal to 16, so we can return true. Let's go over the thought process. For each of the value n, the possible values for the square roots of n is from 1 to n divided by 2 plus 1. Since the range of possible values are sorted in ascending order, that means we can implement binary search. Now we can pick a middle value. If the square of the middle value is greater than n, we can continue our search leftward. Now if the square of the middle value is less than n, we can continue our search rightward. We can now repeat the process to find the square roots of n. If we have failed to find the square root of n, we can return false. Let's implement the function isPerfectSquared, taking the input value n, create the left and right boundary. While left is less than or equal to right, calculate mid, calculate the square of mid. Now if the square is equal to n, return true. If the square is less than n, search rightward, else search leftward, return false.